The FPL Watchlist series returns ahead of Friday night's Gameweek 36 deadline, with a look at 3 more targets for the FPLtips team. 10 goals by Mané during this calendar year ranks top amongst midfielders in the game, while only Sterling has directly contributed to more goals. His tally of 33 shots inside the box can only be bettered by teammate Mo Salah, with Babel the only midfield rival to register more than Mané's 10 big chances. A home fixture against Huddersfield up next for the Reds brings their attacking options into contention for captaincy. No side have conceded more goals than the Terriers over the last 6 matches, while only West Ham have faced more big chances. Zaha's timely return to the scoresheet helped his side earn a 3-2 win over Arsenal in Gameweek 35, with the forward creating 3 chances during the game in addition to his well-taken goal. 11 FPL involvements for the 26-year-old during this calendar year ranks 3rd amongst forwards, only behind Vardy and Aguero. In the same period, a tally of 20 attempted assists ranks 3rd amongst his forward rivals, bettered by only Deeney, King and Rondon. Everton up next could prove to be tricky on current form, but meetings with Cardiff and Bournemouth to end the season appear much more promising for goals, with the Bluebirds ranking 2nd worst in the league for big chances conceded across the last 4 matches. Liverpool kept their 19th clean sheet of the season against Cardiff on Sunday, with Alexander-Arnold recording his 8th FPL assist. The right-back has returned an average of 7 points per game over the last 8 matches, and ranks top amongst defenders for attempted assists, big chances created and goal involvements during that time. Huddersfield travelled to Anfield for Gameweek 36, having scored just 3 goals across their last 6 away matches, with West Ham the only side to fare worse over that spell.